So what's your name?
Huh?
What is your name?
Wake up to a cloudy day, dark rolls in and it
Hey.
starts to rain.
What?
Staring out to the cage like walls. Time
What's your
goes by
name?
and the shadows crawl.
Stanley J.
Candy
Tiddlywinks.
crushing pills. Got no job
Really?
but pays my
Right?
bills. Texting exes, get
What's
my
yours?
fills. Sweating bullets,
Thomas.
Netflix chills.
Nice to meet you.
World's out there singing the blues. 20 more dead on the evening
So.
news. Think to myself, really, what's the use? I'm just like you, I was born to lose.
What are you looking at? I just checking you out. Nope. And the Thor you asked, I am not the Easter Bunny. Nope. Not related one bit. You're not the Easter Bunny? Nope. You sure?
Uh-huh.
What? Well, you do. You are pink, right? You got big ears. That's being prejudiced, man. You're ugly. I'm sorry. What else? Well, like, you're blue on one side. I don't know what that's all about. And you're furry. Kinda look like a rabbit. I am not a rabbit. Okay. Don't say it again. So, this is what we do all day? No, we're just having coffee. I like coffee. You do?
Uh-huh.
Wow, this is exciting. Sorry. What are you looking for? I'm looking for the paint to dry.
Superman is a hero, but only when